English step by step. Present perfect with for and since, step 2. In this video we'll look at some practice exercises, so make sure you watch the step 1 video first. Now, if you'd like to see more videos like this, please click like. If you'd like to see other videos in my series, please click subscribe. And if you'd like to request a topic for a video, leave a comment below. So here's the first of the 2 exercises on present perfect with for and since. Use the present perfect verb and either for or since to complete the unfinished sentences below. So there are 8 unfinished sentences like this. Now, keeping the information in the first sentence, so sometimes you have to change the verb. So let's look at number 1. Here's the first sentence. It started raining an hour ago. Now this sentence uses past simple, so change it into a sentence with a present perfect verb and then decide at the end of the sentence it says an hour. So is it for an hour or since an hour? So with all of these, do the same. Change it into present perfect and then use for or since. So here's the second of the 2 practice exercises. Write answers for the questions below. Some of them have to include negative verbs. For example, number 1, how long have you had this car? And then in the answer, use the present perfect and decide, is it for or since? So for all of these, you can do the same. Present perfect and use for or since. Now, I'm going to go back to practice exercise 1. I'll leave this on the screen for 1 minute. You can write the answers, and then practice exercise 2. I'll leave for 1 minute. Write the answers. You can pause the video, of course. And then when you've finished, move on to the step 3 video, and there you'll find the answers and my explanations for the answers.